Today we're talking with Reece about client success at CMI. Reece, introduce yourself and tell us a bit about your work at CMI.
My name is Reece and I'm the project director at CMI. In my position, I follow the jobs from start to finish. I make sure production goes smoothly. I make sure all of the upfront, the pre-construction stuff goes the way it needs to go. I also schedule deliveries, and I also make sure our product's installed the proper way.
What do you think sets CMI apart from other manufacturers in terms of project management?
I think as a whole, what sets CMI apart is we all work very well as a team. We have a very strong group here. We're all very determined and driven to do the right thing for the customers.
How does your team maintain quality control for the projects that you're working on?
We have a quality assurance guy in the shop that hangs out in what we call the hangout area, which is where we put all of our doors and our drawers on the cabinets, and we do a final clean before they go into the warehouse. He checks all the cabinets before they leave the actual shop itself and get staged in the warehouse, and then our drivers also check everything too before they load them onto the truck. Once it gets on site, our installers, they verify everything as well when they're pulling it off the truck. If there's any damaged product, they also let us know right then and there so we can get a new cabinet or a new countertop produced and sent out to the job site. And then while they're installing, they also finish an elevation of cabinets. They'll adjust all their doors, do a final clean of the cabinets, and then walk out of the room with a completely finished product.
Is there a magic ingredient to make sure that a project runs smoothly?
Communication is a very big part of this company as a whole. Just being dedicated to CMI as a whole, willing to be here, Monday through Friday, Saturdays if need be. I mean, myself, Logan, and some of the other guys in the shop have spent countless hours here. Being dedicated to CMI is a very big thing for us.
What do you find rewarding about your work?
Probably my favorite part of my job is being able to talk to customers. Being able to give them a quality product that they're very pleased with, getting to hear feedback from them on how good the installers did or how happy they are with our product. That's probably the most rewarding thing for me. We deliver all over the country, and to be able to deliver a job in California and everything go perfect, I mean, it's a big reward when somebody gives you a pat on the back, because it really, it shows me and tells me that we're doing something right.